This is a 1996 KZJ73 Land Cruiser. It has the 1KZT 4-cylinder 3-liter turbo diesel, 5-speed manual, 2-speed transfer case. Pretty straightforward. Coil sprung, Prado, biased body style, and the Prados were the light-duty versions of the 70 series. A little bit more civilized, if you will. Different interior options. The more smoothed out, rounded front end. This particular one has a 5-inch lift from Terrain Tamer. The 1HDT, I apologize, the 1KZ was rebuilt with an AMC cylinder head. This is a reinforced cylinder head that helps to solve some of the cracking issues between the valves. While they were in there, a new turbocharger was added for, I believe, a Toyota manufactured unit as well. New injection pump injectors, so the fuel system and the boost system is all fresh in this truck. Drives pretty good. Rolls a little coal. If you want that tuned out, we can handle that for you. Some people like it, some people don't. I prefer cleaner exhaust. Less EGT means a healthier motor long term, but some people also like to show a Prius what's up. Snorkel's functional, we'll show you that later. LEDs all around. Does have a winch. Ramsey winch. Tubular bumpers are stainless steel. Take a look at that Terrain Tamer suspension. Underneath, it was pretty clean. The previous owner in France basically pulled the body apart, had it painted the slate gray. The chassis was also sandblasted and painted. I believe it has 456 gears with limited slip in the rear, or apologize, ARB air locker in the rear. Very clean interior. Seats are swapped. But the front seats, while swapped, do retain the suspension seat brackets. See a little damage to the boot. Some cigarette burns, because, you know, France. It drives pretty nice, even with the 35-inch BFGs and 5-inch lift. Credit to Toyota's coil sprung suspension. Oh. Mileage at this time, it will go up a little bit as we do drive our vehicles regularly to keep them happy and copacetic. It is intercooled. And like I said, those AMC cylinder heads are built by a Spanish company, and they solve some of the metallurgy and casting design issues of the original ones. We don't know the particular history if the original cylinder head cracked or whatever have you, but these AMC heads are pretty desirable upgrades. And with the fuel injection system turned up and the boost turned up just a pinch, it's not fast by any means, but it's not in the way of its own self. It'll get around in modern traffic, cruise 55, 60, 65 plus, no problem. And it works pretty good. If you've ever driven these stock 1KZ motors, you know that they are barely evolved tractor engines out of the box, and so it's nice to have one with a decent bit of power. 8-inch ring gear diffs, according to the axle codes. Pretty good little truck. So you know the drill. If you want to come check us out, although we're out in the field today, come to our Aiken, South Carolina showroom, Car Cave USA on Instagram and Facebook, carcave.com, and come check out this sweet little KZJ.